Hello, my name is Vivian Andrea Mena, course Material Design for Virtual Environments tutorial Diana Cruz. The web 2.0 that I choose is NearPart. It's an interactive classroom tool for teachers to encourage a student with interactive lessons. Okay, I choose two things. Each topic has two activities, one individual and other collaborative. The topic one, I choose a preposition. This slide has information about the preposition, definition, example, etc. Okay. And preposition is word used to link nouns, pronouns, or phrase to other words within sentences. Preposition are usually short words and they are normally expressed directly and in front of nouns. In some cases, you'll find preposition in front of verbs. These are some of the prepositions most common that can be used to indicate place or times in, at, on. In used to indicate both closed space and on space. Example: I lay in Brighton. The cat is in the bus. At use in front and buildings such as house, airport, universities for events and such as meeting parties, concerts, sport, among others. Example: it is at home. Example 2: I always visit my sister at work. And final, on. Use place in front of place and name with a base, bus, shoes, and stable fruits. Another example: the pen is on the table. I am on the bus. Use on time with it in days or weekdays on party. Example: I will see Luis on its birthday. Practical activities. Collaborate. In part is grows show the scene the house or use rings. Using the preposition. Example: there is a 22 TV screen in the living room. Onset the finishes or use must change the description with other parts and the test must dress the house. Okay. Easy is an activity is individual. Is an activity or quiz. The student must choose the correct answer. Okay. Okay. Is this quiz is easy and practice creative. Okay. And second activity of the topic adverbs. Definition. Excuse me. Adverb is a word accompanies the verb to modify its meaning. An adverb you can also modify the adjectives to nouns or other adverbs. Example: the teacher speaks slowly. El profesor habla despacio. Grammatical rules. One, the general rule for adverbs in adds termination L to adjective. Example: quick, quickly, rápido, rápidamente. Hay many others. Grammatical rules are rules. Okay. It's an example. Excuse me. Okay. Practical activities. Excuse me. This is activities hard practice, creative, dynamics. The student okay. Wait. Okay. Activity collaborate in pairs. Reads aloud and underlines the adverbs. Examples: the student choose and I choose red colors. Underline the adverbs. Okay. Okay. Hard activity practice. Okay. These activities individual. The student must fill in the blanks. Choose the word. Sample bullet. And test into the correct space. Example. Okay. Final this okay. Stay or topics hard boxes. The student practice is creative, is dynamics. Thank you very much for your attention.